My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible.
So in terms of digital marketing, what exactly can you do with digital marketing? The conversion tracking and measurement, focusing on conversions means that you're getting the most out of your investment. There's campaign monitoring, data analysis. So you want to stay up to date with the reports and communication. There's PPC, pay-per-click management, where you're getting more customers through effective pay-per-click management. You have Facebook ads, where you can grow your audience on social media through targeted dynamic campaigns on Facebook, for example. There's SEO strategies that you can use. Logo and branding, that actually goes a long way with, not only you creating your logo, but you want to use that to help your branding. What could pay-per-click do for you? Say, for example, your business is just starting out or you've been advertising for years. Pay-per-click can put you on the top of the search results as soon as your campaign launches. Say for sales, pay-per-click is more about just brand awareness. You can market your services and products through pay-per-click ads and seeing conversions and sales pretty much right away to maximize the ROI. They're scalable. Pay-per-click grows with you. It's perfect for modest budgets. You can increase your budget once you start getting solid results. So basically, with the pay-per-click process, you want to pretty much start like an extensive keyword and audience research. Research actually is the fundamentals of start. Then you have your conversion tracking and measurement, where you can track the actions that your leads take on your site, such as a call or form submission, helping you make your ROI-driven decisions. Then there's campaign monitoring and data analysis. You could do these bi-weekly, weekly, monthly. There's just various ways that you can do that, but they are kind of fundamental in the pay-per-click landscape. Then there's SEO, search engine optimization. Now, what exactly can SEO do for you? You want to have a user-friendly website. SEO can help your business create a smoother, faster, more user-friendly website so visitors can be comfortable interacting with your website and potentially stay on there longer. It can help you with more customers. Businesses with an optimized website bring more customers and grow twice as fast as those that don't have one with good SEO. So your conversion rates and brand awareness will rise. Then you have your long-term results. SEO efforts have long-term results because you're not paying to be at the top of the search engine results. You're earning your place there. So you'll reap the benefits of SEO in the long run. Then you have, say, for example, Facebook ads. Now, what exactly can Facebook ads do for you? Besides sales and conversions, there are other benefits that you can enjoy when you're using Facebook ads, such as detailed analytics. Now, with Facebook ads, you'll be able to see your conversion rate and other social metrics, your best performing posts, and more with the information, and you can adjust your campaigns as needed. It raises brand awareness. Now, Facebook's the most popular social media channel, so your preferred audience will be repeatedly exposed to your brand, to your ads and brand, building trust and awareness. Then you have dynamic ads. Now, Facebook ads open up a world of possibility beyond text ads. You can leverage graphics, image carousels, and even video, as well as a variety of targeting options to reach your audience. There's everything also. You have your logo design. You can design a unique and memorable logo based on research, based on best practices, and your vision of your business. And then you have branding. You can create an entire visual representation of your business, expanding logo creation and branding implementation. And then you have your graphic design. Like, we create designs in line with your brand, from a booklet to a t-shirt, whatever you dream, we can make it. Then you have your web design. Now, how does your web design fit into your marketing? Well, it sets an impression. So your website can give your audience the first impression of you. They'll decide in seconds if they find your website useful or not. You have to make a positive impact on your audience so that they'll buy your product or your services. And it also aids in your SEO, PPC, or Facebook ad strategy. So web design elements and practices can influence how search engines view and rank your site. So you need an excellent website to complement your SEO, PPC, or Facebook ad strategy. And it converts. If users find your website unattractive or hard to navigate, they'll leave, and you won't get the leads that you want. So a well-designed site builds trust with your audience so that they'll remain on your site. And regarding SEO, basically you should have 3 stages. You should have your visibility, your acquisition, and your conversion. And that's all part of the SEO strategy. So remember, we always mention content is king. So then you have your content marketing. It's a really important aspect of digital marketing. And it's so important that it should be considered part of your strategy and not just an afterthought. Content marketers typically create content like blogs or videos or images for websites and social media platforms like Facebook to help increase exposure and bring more visitors to your site. So now, what are the benefits of content marketing? It generates leads through organic search and social media. It also boosts website traffic and brand awareness. And it attracts visitors who are already interested in what you have to offer. It establishes your business as a thought leader in your industry. It creates opportunities for customer engagement and interaction. And it helps position your company as an expert on the topics that you write about. So as with other areas of digital marketing, the key to success is knowing what motivates people and how to get them engaged. What works best will just depend on your business, your industry, your target market, etc. The possibilities are endless when using content marketing.
Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBARONOWSKI at Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBARONOWSKI.com.